How to fix Windows 11 storage not adding or showing up? 1. Check your system's cleanup recommendations. 2. Remove temporary files from the following location. C:\\Windows\temp or C:\% user profile %\. App data /local /temp3. Delete hibernation files. Command, power.exe/hibernate off. 4. Run system maintenance troubleshooter. 5. Clean boot your Windows, then remove unnecessary software using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 6. Turn on system protection option in system properties. 7. Perform a disk cleanup.